Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we are going to go over a budget for a bi-weekly paycheck of $1,600. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to show you something super cute and super fun to help keep you engaged with your budgeting, something that I have just came across to use as a fun tool to help me to stay organized. All right, so first we have our funds, and now we also have our budget. We are budgeting $1,600 for a bi-weekly paycheck. We have all of our expenses all mapped out. If you need some help with starting your budget, please see our budget tutorial video on that. First, you will start with your income, however much that is, but we are using $1,600 as our amount for this bi-weekly paycheck budget. And then we have all of our expenses that we will be setting aside funds for this paycheck. We have rent, electric, gas, water, phone, car, insurance, groceries, and debt. And then we'll have some cash flow left over after we set aside all the funds for these expenses. So here we go. We have our funds, and we're going to start to allocate these to each of our envelopes. So rent has $500. Electric is $80. Gas is $60. Water is $60. Phone is $80. Car is $200. Groceries is $2. That is $160. And our cash flow, $160. This is just a quick and easy way to start your cash stuffing journey. If you just have some white envelopes from the store and you just allocate all your funds to each category and add those funds to that envelope to help us stay organized and accountable for what we are setting aside for all our expenses. And then as the month goes, you can go ahead and add the funds from your next paycheck to the envelope until it's time to actually pay that bill. Then you deposit those funds, or however you go about paying your bill. Get those funds to the right place so that you can pay your bills, okay? And there you have a simple and easy, quick budgeting for our bi-weekly paycheck to allocate all our funds to their designated expenses and categories. Now, a fun way to keep this organized is to get a stash box. It is super cool. Well, it's super cute to me anyway. I love the bow, I love the designs, and the messages are really, really good. So choose joy. So this is my new stash box. And you just add your envelopes in, and it helps to stay organized. You can look through them and see what's what. And then it's just a nice, cute way to keep your funds nice and organized. So I hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses. And say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.